Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Coco June. So this will be the new day, new adventure. So I'm decided to ride the metro here. So this is how the metro looks like. This is one of the station, and this is my first selfie inside the metro station, friends. So diba? Ayan, from inside the metro itself or the train, this is what you can see. Green grass of home, if not forest or farm you can see from outside. See, that's what I don't know if that is a rice terraces or some flowers, but it's very nice actually. I was lost on this video.
Hello, ayan, nawala ko as in. Wasag na sayod rin, no. Mali ako nasakyan nga train, so I should be da nga side. So karon mo pa transfer na sa gula. Ambot lang jud. So muna siya ilang train station. So discover. Ayan. Tok sa Pikas. I realize mali. Of course. Yun ba the perks of traveling alone, mawala jud walay mapungutan ano, di ba? I'm so alone here, muna ilang mga balay. Yeah. Ilang mga balay. So ayan, I'm here. Here. Dili na ako magulat. O di ba? Nawala jud ko. Nawala kay, of course, I'm so alone, di ba? Anyway, muna siya dire ilang sinesing station or Jogisheim station. So dire tanaw lang metro lang balay sa likod. O diha. Mahulat na lang ko, mabalik ko sa akong agi pa ingon dadto. Ito ra man dito ang kuan ang akong adtuan, di ba? Kay mato ko sa St. Bartolome Cathedral, si ba? So hoping di na sa kumawalaan so tama na akong direction ng matuan. See ya.
See, imagine how peaceful this area is. By the way, this is Jogisheim station. So this is early morning, so there's so much not so much people or crowd you can see. Going back now to the correct direction. Finally, I'm inside the train. As you can see, you can some mini confetti written in the wall. So it's like a decoration here. So it's like normal, but for us, it's not much. So this is how the inside metro looks like. So there's a TV where you can see the screen where you can see the next station. So the red door, o diba? Ganda. Wala masyadong tao. It's because still early morning. Some station have plenty of people, some have not. Well, I'm thinking here, sana dili na ko mawala. I'm hoping that I'm on the right direction. But luckily, I keep on looking at on the screen. I'm on the right track. Perfect, man. See? Lalag, hangad-hangad, hangad-hangad, pito-pito ang mata, di ba? Okay, friends, actually from inside the metro, if not green, you can see like that. That is a farm, that is a flower farm. I don't know if it's lavender, but maybe it's because the color from afar is lavender. See? Very nice. This is what you can see from inside the train, from the train. So how many train track there? Rail track, di ba? So finally, I'm almost there to the station where I'm going now. Okay, finally successful. It's I'm on the correct station. So I'm going now outside, di ba? When I go out from the train, I always look for the exit. They call it Ausgang. Ausgang exit, di ba? O di ba? Paggawas naman ko ani friends. Well, anyway, friends. So I feel like I'm local now. Actually, their train map is very complicated, so it takes a while for me to understand. But finally, we're able to understand it. O diba? So, friends, that's it for today. Thank you so much. So, for my next video, I will post it soon. But If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and even share. Okay, friend? Thank you. Enjoy watching. So, by the way, this is the outside of the train station. O, diba? Very nice. Wala masyadong tao because it's early morning. Again, bye, friend!